Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A34 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera. Okay, and now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's open the settings in the right upper corner. Here we have to choose the countdown duration, and we've got three options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option like to use, go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, you can also turn off the timer. Just tap on this settings icon, tap on the countdown duration and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.